Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah.
Red and blue lines drawn in the sand. Trump back in the White House leading the band. Tariffs rising high, prices climbing too. Groceries and gas got folks feeling blue. Oh, deportations rolling, borders locked down tight. Farmers hurting bad in the dead of night. Stocks hit records, but wallets feel thin. Economy booming, depends where you've been. Oh, America, land of the free, divided we stand. Can't agree what we see. From city lights to the heartland fields, dreams are chasing what the future yields. Hope in the holidays, lights shining bright, but shadows linger in the winter night. United in worry, searching for light. This is America, holding on tight. Oh, yeah. Healthcare fights in Congress halls. Yeah. Subsidies fading, premiums hit the walls. Immigration freeze, families torn apart. Venezuela tensions playing a dangerous part, yeah. Shootings echo fears on the rise. Mental health whispers under troubled skies. Elections flipping seats left and right. Democrats gaining ground in the fight. Oh, America, land of the free, divided we stand. Can't agree what we see. From city lights to the heartland fields, dreams are chasing what the future yields. Hope in the holidays, lights shining bright, but shadows linger in the winter night. United in worry, searching for light. This is America, holding on tight. Christmas towns glowing, parades in the snow, but underneath it all, the worries still grow. Oh, AI booming, jobs coming slow. Climate whispers, but the bass just flow. We argue and shout, but deep down we know this land is our home. Gotta make it glow. America, land of the free. Maybe one day we'll bridge what do we see. From sea to shining sea, we'll find